Ravencoin, guys, currently trading at 3 cents, market cap of $316 million, ranked 119 on the list, guys. Now, I've covered Ravencoin in multiple videos, which I am going to give you guys an updated video for and a price prediction. Just hang on. But if you guys want to get a part of this cryptocurrency, they're on Binance, Huobi Global, Bittrex, Gate.io, Bybit, OKX, MEXC, let's see, Upbit. So pretty much a bunch of platforms. It's near the top 100, and many cryptos near the top 100 are on most platforms. Now, when it comes to the rating, guys, this thing got to be on stable outlook. So it's ranked in the top 45% of cryptocurrencies that they rated. That's pretty good. I do prefer, cryptos that have been rated. But let's get into that price prediction a little bit, okay?
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
So as of October 7th, I made a video all about Ravencoin. It was ranked number 92. Currently, it was priced at 10 cents. And then, what is it? October 30th, made another updated video. It was worth ranked 94, 11 cents. And in December, what is it? 10 cents. So from then till now, it's ranked number 119 at 3 cents. So this thing has been basically nosediving. It's down a huge amount versus what it used to be. So when it comes to these things, guys, most cryptocurrencies are just down right now, and people are trying to buy the dip. For me, I'm not buying the dip on many of the cryptocurrencies. I'm just waiting to see if it might dip even lower. And if it does dip lower, I don't want to get caught in that, because like, see this right here? Here is Ravencoin. It's a measure with Tether. And it did bounce off this almost basically 2 cents, and it's up from here. I think people are seeing that it might pull up higher, as might rebound from there. But for me, guys, I like to wait out to see that this might not last, because these buyers that bought off this wick right here might just be, like, there may be influencers or people who have a lot more status and stuff, or a lot big bids in there. So once they see that this is drying up, this might head down lower. So for me, I'm going to wait, because it might head down to a lower price, and I'm thinking that if it does head down lower, it might be repeating and making a second bottom. But before it's a second bottom, it might hit the 2.5 cents. So that's my price prediction, guys, 2.5 cents. Just because most cryptocurrencies are going down, and they're really correlated to Bitcoin. Literally, if Bitcoin goes down, almost everything goes down. But I can go into that a little bit later. But when it comes to Ravencoin, guys, I do see it going lower. I don't know if it will hold this. If it does, I'm being wrong. But when it comes to Ravencoin over the last few months, I see that it has been a really good short. I don't really short cryptocurrencies. I short Bitcoin, Litecoin, stuff like that. But that's me because I trade everything more than do cash positions. But when it comes to this, guys, I will just wait it out, because I might see go down lower to 2.5 cents. And let's get to some other stuff about Ravencoin. If you guys want to learn more about it, guys, go to ravencoin.org. They do have an update when it comes to it. New wallet release, upgrade to version 4.3. Click the link. Here's a link, guys, if you guys want to update it. They got Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you guys want to check their social media, they have a 92,000 followers. If you guys want some most relevant news, just check out the Twitter page. It'll be in the description box below, so same as the rest of these videos. And if you want the chart, guys, it'll be on the description box below. But besides that, guys, if you guys want to learn more about trading, investing, please check out my website, andrejmcclinton.com. I have stuff about trading, education, free indicators, custom indicators, Metro 4 and 5. I'm still building these two. It takes a long time, especially for my schedule. But if you guys want to learn anything else about trading and stuff, just let me know. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.